Progressive School welcome you all in this video. This video I am going to start new chapter, that is arithmetical progression. Okay. So what is arithmetical progression? What are there in that? Let us discuss first that thing. Okay. I gave you monthly salary for a job. Okay. Monthly salary for few persons are 8,000. फिर उसके बाद उसका कुछ इंक्रीमेंट इज देयर 8,500, देन 9,000 इंक्रीमेंट, देन समथिंग एल्स इज देयर. ओके, सेकंड इज गिवन टू यू एग्जांपल लेंथ ऑफ rungs of a ladder. This is a ladder means सीढ़ी. Okay, so rungs means these. Okay, so in which we put the steps. So the length of these are 45 centimeter. That means this is 45 centimeter. Then next is 43 centimeter. Keep on decreasing. Then 41 centimeter, then 39 centimeter, then 37 centimeter, and up to so on. Okay, and the third example is saving. You are doing a saving of for the first month or for the first year is 1,000 rupees. Then your savings becomes second year 12,500 rupees. Then 15,625 rupees. Okay, your savings are going on increasing. Okay, so these are few examples. So can you see something common is there in that these series? Okay, so these are the series. Okay, and these are called the terms. ये अलग-अलग terms हैं of the series. So when you see from here, this is 8,000, 8,500. What is the difference between these two? 8,500 minus 800, 500 difference. When you see from these two, the 9,000 minus 8,500, difference of 500. So there is a difference of 500 between these two, and difference means D. Okay, I am just denoting difference by small d, and here is a difference of again 500. So again the difference of 500 will be there. Same way in the second example, if I just see what is the difference, 43, 44. That means I am decreasing minus 2 from here. Then from these two, difference is minus 2. From there, these two, 41, 42, 43. So minus 2 again I am doing, then again minus 2 I am doing. So the difference between two consecutive terms I am saying is minus 2. Again comes in the next example, what is the difference between two terms? Okay, so this decrease 1,000 from here. See, decrease 1,000 from here. So you will get 5,001, 1,500. So okay, you will get this. Then again you will get 1. Then again difference between these two, subtract 1, 2, 500. So what you are getting, 5, 2, 1 and 3. Okay, so this is the series in which the difference is not same. Okay, so I got these two series. Such series in which the difference between any two consecutive term is same. Okay, so those are called the AP series, arithmetical progression series. Okay, and the difference between any two terms is same, minus 2, minus 2, minus 2, minus 2. So the common difference, it is called the common difference. Common difference means the difference is common. Common means same. So D, small d is denoted by common difference. And what is common difference? Small d. Small d can be anything. Here it is 500. And how it is denoted by? C. I told you any of the series in which, so an arithmetical progression is the list of numbers. It is a list of numbers in which each term is obtained by adding a fixed number, okay, to the preceding term. So what is AP? AP is a series of terms, of numbers. ये numbers की series है in which every term is obtained by adding a fixed number. हर एक number कहाँ से fixed number add करके मिलता है. So here in this series, what I am getting? This is the first term. I am saying this is A1. Okay, term we denote by A. This is the second term. I am denoting it by A2. This is the third term. I am denoting it by A3 and up to so on. Okay, so we can have n terms in this. We can denote it by an term. Same way, how many terms are there? A1, A2, third term, A4, fourth term, A5, fifth term, A6, sixth term. So we have these many terms here. Okay, so now D is called the common difference and A is denoted by the term. A is denoted by the term. So these things we have seen here. What is AP? AP is a series or a list of numbers in which every term is obtained by adding a fixed number in the preceding one. In the second one, if you say, we are not adding, we are subtracting. Okay, so it is also same. We are adding, in the first number we are adding -2. So that means 45 plus -2. 45 minus 2 is got 43. Okay, it is also adding. So we are adding -2 in this. So we are adding something to get the next term. So these are called the AP. Okay, it is clear. So now I am starting here directly the exercise. Okay, let us see what is the exercise. So dear student, before doing the exercise 5.1, let us see what is the general formula of AP. Okay, so I told you AP is the first term is denoted by A. Okay, every term is denoted by A, A1, A2, A3. Then second term, how you will get? When you will add some difference, something in it. So if I am adding some number in it, so I will get the second term. Third number, how I will get? Again I will add the same D in it. So that means A plus D plus D. So that means A plus 2D. How I will get the fourth term? A plus, again D I will add in this, A plus 3D. Okay. So this, like this, I got the series. This is called the AP series. This is the general formula of AP series. General AP series. A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, up to so on. A plus ND. ND, see, the second term is A plus D. Okay. So third term is A plus 2D. तो third term ही कम है ना, तो nth term क्या हो जाएगा? A plus n minus 1D. Okay. So this is the series. Now what is the first question? Okay. First question is, in which of the following situations, किस situation में does the list of numbers involves making an arithmetical progression? तो कौन सी में आपका ये arithmetical progression form हो रहा है? And why और क्यों? Okay. So first part. What is the first part? The taxi fare after each kilometer when the fare is ₹15 for the first kilometer. तो for the first kilometer मतलब first kilometer जाते हैं तो टैक्सी फेयर इज ₹15. यहाँ से यहाँ तक टैक्सी का किराया 15 रुपीज है. ओके, एंड ₹8 फॉर द एडिशनल किलोमीटर, और एडिशनल किलोमीटर के लिए 8 रुपीज. देन इसको सेकंड जा रहा है तो इसमें 8 और 8 कर देंगे तो 15 प्लस 8, देन इट विल बिकम 23 रुपीज. ओके, देन 1 more kilometer, again we will add 8. okay, so 23 plus 8 41. okay, so from here to here it is ₹41. Then plus 8 you will do in 41. So in subsequent it is getting plus 8 plus 8 plus 8. So what is the question? Do you understand? For the first kilometer ₹15 is the taxi fare, and for the subsequent distance for per kilometer, मतलब उसके बाद अगर 1 किलोमीटर जाता है तो 8 रुपीज उसका रेंट बढ़ता रहता है. ओके, फेयर. So you have to form a AP for this. So what will be the AP? AP means first term. First kilometer means first term, 15. Second means 15 plus 8. 15 plus 8 is 23. Third term is 23 plus 8. 8 rupees add करते जाओ. 23, 33, 31. Sorry, this is 31. And then you will add 31 plus 8. So 31, it will become 39. 39 plus 8, 47, and up to so on. Put 3 dots here. Okay. So this series is in AP or not, they are asking. So now see, this is the first term A1, this is second term A2. This is A1, A2, A3, A4 up to so on. So how you will find the difference? Difference is A2 minus A1. A2 minus A1. इसमें से ये माइनस करोगे तो इन दोनों के बीच का डिफरेंस मिल जाएगा. और वी कैन से A3 minus A2, A3 minus A2, ये सब इक्वल होंगे ना डिफरेंस. सो इफ द डिफरेंस विल बी इक्वल तो ये AP में होगी. अगर डिफरेंस इक्वल नहीं होंगे तो इट इज नॉट इन AP, अर्थमेटिकल प्रोग्रेशन में नहीं होगी. सो डिफरेंस इज A2 इज 23 minus 15. ओके, एंड हियर डिफरेंस इज 31 minus 23. So 23 minus 15 you got 8, and this is 8. So difference is same. As the difference is coming same, equal, so therefore you will write, therefore it is in AP, arithmetical progression. Okay, so this is your first part. Second part, let us do. Okay, now the second part, what they are saying, the amount of air pressure in a cylinder when a vacuum pump removes 1/4 of a air remaining in the cylinder at a time. तो हमें vacuum का amount we have to do. So let we are saying in a cylinder, ये cylinder है, let in the starting its amount is V. तो पहले starting में इसका जो volume था वो V था, ठीक है. So what they are saying, the amount of air pressure in a cylinder when vacuum pumps removes 1/4 of the air, ये 1/4 of the air remove करते रह रहा है at a time. So इसका मतलब क्या हुआ कि वॉल्यूम इस पूरे की इसने सबसे पहले 1/4 एयर रिमूव कर दी, ठीक है. तो इतनी पहले इसमें एयर थी, इसमें पहले 1/4 एयर रिमूव कर दी. दैट मीन्स पूरे वॉल्यूम में से V/4, V का 4th पार्ट रिमूव कर दिया. सो व्हाट यू विल गेट, सो इन फर्स्ट थिंग यू विल गेट V minus V/4. टेक एलसीएम, 4/4, सो 3/3V/4. तो सेकेंड टर्म यू गॉट 3V/4. तो अब इसमें एयर कितनी बची, 3V/4. सो नाउ वी गॉट द वॉल्यूम इज, अब यहाँ पे इतना हट गया. सो नाउ हाउ मच एयर वॉल्यूम वी गॉट, 3V/4. नाउ द नेक्स्ट टाइम अगेन इट रिमूव्स 1/4 ऑफ द वॉल्यूम ऑफ द एयर. इसका फिर 1/4 रिमूव कर दिया, इसका मतलब 1/4 फिर इसमें से रिमूव कर दिया. सो माइनस 1/4 ऑफ ये जो इतना बचा था उसका 3V/4, 1/4 ऑफ 3V/4. तो सेकेंड टाइम क्या हुआ, 3V/4 में से 1/4 ऑफ 3V/4 इसने सब्ट्रैक्ट कर दिया. सो दैट मीन्स 3V/4 माइनस 3V/4, 4 is 16. So when you will solve it, how much you will get? 16 is the LCM. 4, 12V minus 3V. Okay, 9V/16. तो इसको हम कैसे लिख सकते हैं? So we'll write 3/4 whole square into V. We can write 3/4 whole square into V. This is we got after removing this much part. Okay, so that means 9V/16 is left now. Then again you remove 1/4 of the volume. फिर इसका 1/4 remove कर दो, इतना और remove कर दो, minus 1/4 of 9V/16. Then how much will be left? See, third, 9V/16 minus 1/4 of 9V/16. So you will get 9V/16 minus 9V/16, 4 ja 64. So you will get LCM is 64. 4 ja 9, 4 ja 36. V LCM no minus 9. 9 is 27. So how much we got? 3/4 whole cube into V. So what is the next term we are getting? In the next term we got 3/4 whole square into V, and the next one 3/4 whole cube into V. Okay, up to so on. Same way we will get the next volume. Okay, so what was the question? We have a air tank. Every time we are removing 1/4 of the total volume of the air. So this series we are getting. Okay, so now let us see this is in AP or not. Okay, just subtract this. So let us subtract. Let us do after this. See, we are getting very first common difference. Common difference होता है the second term minus the first term. Next term minus the preceding term. A2 minus A1. So that means 3/4V minus V. So take the LCM. This is 4/4. So 4 is the LCM. And 3V minus 4V. So this will get minus V/4. Same way, if I subtract this from this, so same thing I should get. This is 9/16. 9, I will write A3 minus A2. A3 minus A2, both should come same. So 9/16V minus 3V/4. Take the LCM, 16. 9V minus 4 4 is 16, 4 3 is 12V minus 3V/16. So they are different. Since common difference is not same, common difference is not same, therefore it is not in AP. ठीक है, तो ये AP में नहीं है. This series is not in AP. Okay, so quickly let's start the third one. So beta, let us start the third part of the first question. What is the question? The cost of digging a well. एक कुआं खोदना है. After every meter in digging, its cost ₹150 for the first meter. तो अगर हम पहले 1 मीटर खोदते हैं तो इस कॉस्ट इज ₹150. ओके, इतने रुपीज हमें देने पड़ते हैं. एंड राइजेस बाय ₹50 फॉर ईच सब्सिक्वेंट मीटर. हर एक सब्सिक्वेंट मीटर पर इसकी कॉस्ट ₹50 बढ़ रही है. इसका मतलब हमने जो वेल डिग किया, अगर हम 1 मीटर करते हैं तो वी हैव टू जस्ट पे ₹150. पहले फर्स्ट मीटर में ज्यादा पड़ रहे हैं. देन ₹50 फॉर सब्सिक्वेंट मीटर. उसके बाद हर एक मीटर पे we should give 50 rupees. So what will be the second term? A2 will be 150 तो पहले देने पड़े थे, प्लस ₹50 और दे दिए, तो कितने हो गए? 200 rupees. Then A3 will be 200 तो हमने दे ही दिए हैं, प्लस ₹50 और दे दो, तो we'll get 250 rupees. Okay. Then A4 250 we are already given, plus 50 more we will get for Mrs. 300 rupees. So up to so on. ठीक है, up to so on. इसके बाद और टर्म्स भी हम निकालेंगे. So find the common difference from here. D is A2 minus A1, which is equals to A3 minus A2. Both should come same. A2 minus A1, 200 minus 150 should be equals to 250 minus 200. So this we are getting 50 and 50. So since the common difference is same, therefore it is in, yes, it is in AP. You will write full, yes, it is in AP. Okay, quickly the fourth part. So the fourth part is giving to you the amount of money in the account every year when ₹10,000 is deposited. So इसका मतलब first term आपका 10,000 हो गया. Okay, this is the fourth part. 10,000 they have deposited. Okay, so this is the principal, 10,000 rupees. Okay, this is given to you. 10,000 is deposited at the compound interest at 8% per annum. 8% per annum के compound interest पे. ठीक है, तो इसका मतलब ये तो फर्स्ट ईयर में आपके रुपीस कितने हुए? 10,000 for the completion of 1 year. ठीक है, so after 1 year, what is the amount? Amount will be principal 1 plus r upon 100 raised to the power n. This you remember the formula, compound interest formula. A plus amount equals to principal 1 plus rate upon 100 raised to the power n. अब आपको what is they are given? 8% per annum rate they are taking. So first year के end में what is the amount? देखो जब आपका starting था तो amount is 10,000, principal is 10,000, 1 plus rate 8 upon 100 raised to the power n for the first year 1. ठीक है, so this is the next one. 10,000, 1 plus 8 upon 100. Okay, then the next term for second year. ठीक है, after second year या after 2 year. Okay, so what will be the amount? Principal 10,000, 1 plus rate upon 100 raised to the power n 2 हो जाएगा. Okay, so this you will get 10,000, 1 plus 8 upon 100 raised to the power n time 2 years. Same way time 3 year, 4 year up to so on. Similarly it will go on. Okay, now let us find the common difference. We have to see this is same or not. Obviously this is not same. Okay, so this is common difference A2 minus A1. So see, this is A2 10,000, 1 plus 8 upon 100 minus 10,000. Okay, so if you see this 10,000 common you will take, so you will take 10,000 common. What is left? 1 plus 8 upon 100 minus 1. Cancel out, so 8 upon 100 into 10,000, 20 to 20 cancel out, this is 800 rupees. Okay, so first you are getting the difference is 800. Okay, now find this difference. also A3 minus A2 करो. So that means this minus this, 10,000 1 plus 8 upon 100 whole square minus 10,000 1 plus 8 upon 100. Okay. So now take the common. What the common you will take? 10,000 is common. 1 plus 8 upon 100 is also common. So what is left? 1 plus 8 upon 100 यहाँ बचा, minus 1 is left. ठीक है, तो ये आ जाएगा 8 upon 100, ये outside, 202, 20 cancel out. So this will become 8, यहाँ से 800 into, you will get 800 into 1 plus 8 upon 100. See, this is coming different. I am writing that up. So that means you are getting 800 plus 8 is the 6400 upon 100. Okay. Cancel out 2 zeros to 2 0. So you are getting 864 rupees. In the first case, difference is 800. In the second case, difference is 864 rupees. So what you will write at the last? Now you will write the statements. As the common difference is not same, therefore it is not in AP. Okay, your fourth part, it is not in AP. Okay, clear this one? It is easy. If you don't, revise it again and you can see it again. Okay, now I am starting question number 2. So dear students, as you can see here in the second question, you have to find the first 4 terms of an AP. Okay, AP के first 4 terms आपको find करने हैं. When your first term, A is called the first term, A1 लिखो या A लिखो, meaning is same. Okay, A is the first term and common difference is given to you. So I have written 2 parts, first 2 parts for you. आपको क्या लिखना है? AP के first 4 terms. Okay, so first term is 10 only. Okay, तो first term तो आपका क्या हो जाएगा? First term, that means it is A, which is 10 only. Second term क्या हो जाएगा? Second term means इसमें A में आपको common difference add कर देना है. So that means 10 plus what is the common difference? 10. So that means 20. Third term is A plus 2D. So that means A is 10 plus 2 into D is 10. So that means 10 plus 20 is 30. Fourth term is A plus 3D. So 10 plus 3 into 10. That means 10 plus 30 is 40. So therefore your 4 terms are 10, 20, 30 and 40. So these are your 4 terms. Okay. So this is your first part. Second part. So your second part is same way. First term is A, that means minus 2. Second term A plus D, that means minus 2 plus 0, again it is minus 2. Third term A plus 2D, that means minus 2 plus 2 into 0, again it will come minus 2. And fourth term is A plus 3D, that means minus 2 plus 3 into 0, minus 2. So that means your 4 terms are minus 2, minus 2, minus 2 and minus 2. You will write the statement also here. Okay. So the second question I did 2 parts. 2 parts I am leaving on you. So 2 parts you will do. Okay. So this video I am completing here only for only 2 questions. So 2 questions first you complete, then we move to next one. Okay. Till then, please like and share the video, do comments and practice. Okay. Thank you very much. Bye bye.